everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Shopify products not showing up. Watch the video until the end to learn this and more. The first thing we have to do is go to our admin page of our Shopify account and we have to go to products. It's in the third tab here. For example, this product doesn't show up. What you want to do is to go click on it, and here as you can see there's a status bar here. For status tab here or section, you want to make sure that the status of this product is active. Then the next thing we should keep in mind is here we have to go to publishing and click on three dots. Here I click on manage sales channels and make sure that the online store and point of sale is checked. Also we have to go back and go to the manage markets. Here make sure that all of these are selected. So after that you have to done all of your things in this page. You just need to go click on save, and after you have saved those methods, this will likely help you fix your problem.